Hello guys, bonjour tout le monde. Today's expression is raconte de salade. Now in this expression, the word salad exists, which is different. Means because it's an expression. If you read the word raconte de salade, which literally means to tell salads. So, but the English version means the actual in English it means to tell lies or the person who make up stories. So we generally say do not listen to him, he is telling lies or he is making stories. Let me give you an example in French in short. Ne l'écoute pas, il raconte des salades. Do not listen to him, he is making up stories or he is telling lies. So keep watching such expressions, such interesting expressions, and try to use them. If you're learning French, try to use them. So what is the expression? Raconte des salades. It's like to tell salads, no, to tell stories or to tell lies. Keep watching and do not forget to subscribe, guys.